Now we will be discussing about a few tips and tricks which would help you crack the CDS exam. 1. You must go through the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly. Develop a habit of reading newspapers, magazines, novels, etc. to improve your vocabulary. Also be in touch with the current affairs and events that are making news. Make sure the political and historical scenario of India is on your fingertips. Study regularly and revise the concepts on a regular basis. Make notes for revision while studying different topics. Be positive and confident. Know your strengths and weaknesses and work on them constantly. Solve previous papers. They will give you a brief idea about the exam pattern, types of questions, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. The link of the app is given in the description below. Here we come to the end of this video. Hope you have liked it. If you value the content of a video, please like, share and comment on our channel Youth for Work.